Convert your drafty, dated wood-burning fireplace into an efficient and beautiful gathering place by installing a Heat and Glow Cosmo gas insert. Enjoy the modern ambience without the mess and hassle of hauling wood or cleaning ashes. You can transform your room from underused to unbelievable in as little as a day. Heat and Glow Cosmo gas inserts come in multiple sizes, modern styles, and finishes to update your existing wood fireplace. Easily operate your Cosmo gas insert with simple and safe controls with advanced technologies. Relaxing by the fire can be as simple as the flip of a switch or touch of a finger. Transform your home with a Heat and Glow Cosmo gas insert with best-in-class modern styling and performance. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the fire. To learn more, visit your authorized Heat and Glow dealer or go to heatandglow.com. Heat and Glow. No one builds a better fire.